Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no one really sees you? I mean, not just your symptoms, but your actual story. Because this week we're shifting our focus away from food, supplements, protocols, all the things we've been talking about, and we're diving into the most important and often overlooked element of holistic healing connection. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. And I'm teaching Intro to Holistic Medicine. Right now, I'm traveling. So, for those of you who've been on my journey with me so far, I'm traveling this week. So, actually, with this Wednesday's class, I'm going to be pre recording for you. So, normally my background is different. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me We're on my journey to kind of close out everything in the US. So, all right, this week we're talking all about community, belonging, and most importantly, self concept. And that's really the roots of any long term transformation. I know it's been a game changer for me in my life. And in fact, in my experience, both as a practitioner, right, and as I said, as a woman healing myself, and has done really deep healing work on so many different levels to create all kinds of amazing experiences in my life. I will tell you, it has not been easy. But I found that you can't heal in isolation what was wounded in relationship. So, environment really plays a role. And it's not just a fancy quote, it's also based in neuroscience. And studies show that being part of a supportive group or a system really lowers your cortisol, improves digestion, and even regulates your nervous system. And in fact, nervous system dysregulations can also be affected by these things as well. So, this week, we're going to talk about how relationships, your environment, and most importantly, how you see yourself and how that shapes your health more than any supplement or any protocol ever could. This really became the key, of me working with people. So, what we're going to be covering this week is the biology of belonging, which is why community is not an option when you're healing, right? So, it's first heal thyself, then heal community and relationships, etc. So, we're going to start with self-concept and how your internal identity actually drives your external behavior. So, I'm going to pre-record that, and then you guys, it'll air live at the time of our class on YouTube. I'll try to see if I can get a later TikTok and maybe just do kind of an intimate TikTok with that. But we'll see how my travel arrangements go. So we'll also talk about trauma. And I'm excited to kind of break all of this down for you because trauma disrupts our connection. And we can rebuild emotional safety, but it does take time. Also, this week, I'm going to be really more so explaining our 4-week wellness collectives. So we're an intro to holistic medicine, which is a big commitment. It's 12 weeks. So, it takes a little bit. So we have some smaller containers, like 4-week containers that are a little bit, shorter, packed, with punches. So we'll talk more about that because it's also a part of if you are moving forward with holistic health coaching certification. We'll also talk about how to choose your healing community, how to engage with it, etc. And so we do have 3 free communities: the holistic lifestyle community, holistic health coaching cohort for those people wanting to continue, and then Pure Black, which is our Afro-Indigenous community. And so we will definitely be going over these different communities and really my vision for them and how to really engage with them, especially as we kind of close out our journey together. So the first thing, though, we're going to look at is self-concept, because self-concept is truly the lens to which you view yourself and the world and your experience, right? So if you see yourself as broken or unlovable or any of those things, you're going to subconsciously create and recreate cycles of sabotage. And boy, do I know this one. So before you begin, right, we have to see ourselves as whole. So as we are moving on this journey, we're going to start to create a self-concept of being whole, being worthy, being powerful, being big, being who you are, right? Who you be. And as you step into your true self, you'll show up differently, and your healing will then follow your identity, and your actions, habits, behaviors, all of that becomes so much easier, right? That's really the beauty of a holistic lifestyle. It's about ease and grace. And that's why we choose, especially like in morning flow, we choose who we be every day. And that is really a great place to start every day so that you can continue to gain momentum on your new actions, habits, behaviors, whatever you're trying to accomplish with your health. So this week, I've already released our 6 YouTube videos. And our discussion is, again, right, who do you choose to be? So the same kind of thing. We're going to explore those collectives, and we'll make sure that you're in your community space and you are starting to engage, support, connect, and also hold each other accountable. So we're here to heal ourselves, our lineage, others, right? And this work is very, very sacred, which is why I created these containers so that you can understand even more the concept of not just putting yourself in a container, but how you fit into a community space in a container, right? And so we begin to play with these concepts because we want to begin to create this sense of belonging, this sense of acceptance of self and others, and really this building block of healing and healing space. This is really how we began in healing, was in sanctuary, was in circle, was in connection with each other. So we're trying to come back to that all of this week. So like, share, subscribe, all the things. If you are intrigued by the content for this week and you're just joining in, welcome. Go ahead and click the link in the bio, scroll down, and you can enroll in Intro to Holistic Medicine. And so we're in week 10, and we have about 2 more weeks, but then we'll take a 3-week break, and we'll kind of get everybody organized. So just wanted to get this out to you guys today. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I will be recording my webinar now for you guys. Really excited to provide this information to you because it's just such a game changer, at least it was for me.